Hello, and welcome to the Banker's View from Sibos video series, filmed here on location in London. I'm Joy Macknight, Managing Editor of The Banker. And with me is Julie Harris, Head of Global Banking Digital Strategy at Bank of America, to talk about the digitalization trend in banking. Julie, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
So can you tell me about really what is driving digitalization across the financial services industry and with your clients?
Absolutely. The number one thing driving digitization is frankly the consumer experience. So if you think about going through your day and ordering a car that's already paid for, you get out of your car at the coffee shop, you pick up your coffee, you get to the airport and scan with your QR code, and you sign a rental agreement for your vacation home in the summer, all within the first couple hours of your day. That experience of fast, smart, secure interactions throughout the day is really driving our CFOs and treasurers' experience expectation from Bank of America and frankly all of their financial institutions.
Okay, and how is it really sort of changing the workforce of the future? You know, how is Bank of America addressing that?
Yes, big change in the workforce. So an interesting stat for you is that by 2020, 60% of our workforce will be millennials and Gen Z. And if you think about that generation, which are digital natives, 90% smartphone penetration means their expectation is that they can do business anytime, anywhere. So increasingly, we're investing in technology in our mobile strategies, and we're also investing in new ways to connect through APIs, and really that anytime, anywhere, any device, iPad, desktop, phone, and being able to have that seamless experience across all of those channels is really driven by the changing workforce.
Okay, and then in terms of your digital strategy, sort of what are the key factors that you're looking at?
Absolutely. So as I mentioned, consumerization is really driving that strategy, and we focus on 4 key pillars. Number 1 is simplifying access. You have to make it easy to interact, again, across channels of online, mobile, APIs, and across all of your various devices. So simplified access. Number 2 is interoperability. Anytime, anywhere, through any channel. Number 3 is really consistent feel and experience. So within Bank of America, we have 8 lines of business, and we want that consistency of experience, whether you're a consumer, whether you're a wealthy individual as part of Merrill Lynch or our private bank, or whether you're a CFO that has commercial or corporate business with us as well. We want that consistent experience. And then number 4, and increasingly important, is intelligent digital. So AI and robotics tell me what I need to know when I need to know it. KYC being digitized, e-signature, electronic document exchange, all of those aspects, alerts and notifications, are part of our intelligent digital strategy, which really just, again, is driven by that ease of doing business across all channels.
Okay, well that feeds into my next question, which is really about the theme at Sibos this year, which is about thriving in a hyper-connected world. What does that mean to you?
It means always on. And both as working myself as well as all of our customers, we are expected to be always on. Even when I'm sitting here, I might get a buzz on my watch that's telling me I've got an email from someone that needs something. So in that hyper-connected world, we think of 3 things. Number 1 is fast. Everything has to be real time. It's driving payments around the world. It's driving business interaction around the world. Number 2 is smart. That intelligence of alerts and notifications and real-time information. And number 3 is secure. In this world of the fact that nearly 1% of GDP is eaten away by cybercrime, that investment in security is top priority for us.
My last question is really about, you know, you've hit a lot of the buzzwords. You know, you've talked about APIs, you've talked about artificial intelligence. You know, there's this fast pace of change happening. You know, how does Bank of America actually work with its clients to adapt to this fast pace of change?
Absolutely. One of the most important things for us is to really be that intelligent advisor for our clients. And if you think about our company, whether it's on the consumer side where we serve 1 in 2 households in the US, or on the large corporate side where we serve 87% of global Fortune 500 companies, we're able to invest $3 billion of annual new initiative technology every year. So we take those learnings from our own investments in digitizing our processes, both internally and for our clients, and we bring that knowledge and expertise to our clients. So whether it's the evolution of real-time payments, whether it's APIs, as you mentioned, all of those are areas where we're increasingly becoming experts in our industry and becoming experts to help advise our clients on how to digitize their own CFO and treasury functions.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your insights, Julie.
Great, thank you.